Hello guys. So we got a new project that was very unexpected. This car is going to be something that we're going to transform. Let me show you. As you can see, it's a Ford, and I'll let you guess what Ford it is, but I'll be showing you in a second. Essentially, this was a service car, and you can see it's a left-hand drive. Let me tell you the story about how we got this and what we're going to do with it. So, what is this car and how we got it? We were looking for a car to take on road trips to Europe and went on this website where there was ex-service vehicles on auction. And they were fairly cheap. We wanted a cheap run around, take us about in Europe, left-hand drive. Now, in this website, I didn't know this, but when you bid for something, even though it doesn't meet the reserve, they can still accept your offer and you still have to buy it. So we ended up buying a couple cars from there, and this being one of them. I've decided to actually use this for a while as a little run around, and I thought what a great project would it be to modernize the whole car. Let me show you a couple of bits that I'm thinking of doing. So the first thing we got is it's got this radio. First of all, this car has not been cleaned ever. Okay, it's been like in service for like 10 years. And it's never been clean. It's in a really horrible state. There's a lot of work that we need to do. So today I'm just going to clean everything up, tidy it up and everything. But the first thing I want to do is we're going to change this. I'm going to put a screen in here, it has Apple CarPlay, all that kind of stuff, because there's no aux in it either. Well, there is, but I don't know where it is. And to be honest, it's all very dirty, it's filthy, and it needs a code. Every time I have to, take off the battery or whatever, I need to put a code in there. It's really annoying. Second thing we're going to do is I'm going to change these dials. So there's some dials from Temu that I found. We can just modernize the look of it. And the third thing is I'm going to put some USB chargers. So you see these boxes here, you can remove these and put stuff in there. So they can be a button or whatever, but I'm going to put in two USBs, so USB-C and normal USB, just so we can now charge our phones using that. This needs changing. You can see it's broken. This here is broken, needs changing. So when we got the car, the handbrake was broken on one side. So I ended up replacing the whole thing. Other than that, I've just given it a service and it's been good. Okay. There are a few rust spots that we found. There was some, let me show you some. So there's a big rust spot here on the door. There's some rust over there. There's some rust all around there. And these are all, it's not the end of the world. I mean, there's some here as well. I'm going to figure out how to clean it. But the worst one I've got is this little sunroof that I've got here. This here is a hole. Okay, there was an antenna that these guys installed for their walkie-talkie, and now it's just a hole. So I need to figure out what to do with that. Alright, so we've put water, shampooed the car. So with the paint, there's also a lot of like iron chips and stuff, so it's going to need a lot of Claybaring, this car. I don't know if you can hear it. It's horrible. And that's across the whole car. As you can imagine, this car's never been cleaned. It's just dirty, filthy, and there's iron contaminants all over it. So let's get to cleaning. Guys, this stuff is amazing. It actually works. So here, you can hear this. But here, and here, this is actually good. So if I do this, try and show you. It's maybe hard to see, but can you see all that? That is all iron contaminants. See that? Wow. That is crazy. Okay, so let's do the whole bonnet. I might have to do the whole car. We'll see. Hey guys, so what we're doing here is we're replacing this battery here. The old one was not working. It was dead actually. So the first thing we did was we need to remove the air filter from here. I'll show you what we did in a second. What you then do is this, then lifts slowly and then comes out. And then you can then remove the black one first, which is down there. And then you can remove the red one. And then you bring the new battery in, slot it in. Oh, and this needs to be loosened, by the way. This here. Okay, this take that off completely. This then goes up a little bit, and then you can easily remove and add the battery. Okay, when you put the new one in, put the red one first, then the black one, and now we're just going to put back the intake manifold. Look at this, guys. This cable is finished. Yeah, this was on, but it seems to have snapped. I just checked it now, and yeah, that explains why it was not working. But yeah, so I'll need to change some of this. It's so weak. Anyways. This time. And then this goes up top. I'll be honest, I probably need to buy another piece like this.